Welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys are all doing really well, staying safe, staying healthy. 2020 was a wild year, and I'm very excited for 2021. I think it's gonna be a much better year. So 2020 obviously had its major downs. I only uploaded 10 times. Sorry guys. But there was a lot of ups. I got married this year. Sierra and I bought a house this year, and I finally put injectors in the truck. You guys saw that video, right? At least I had that. Nonetheless, 2021 is going to be a much better year for this channel. The fact that I didn't upload at least once a month was really sad and honestly really disappointing, and I let myself down on that. But that didn't stop you guys. You guys kept watching, you kept commenting. We're at like 8,900 subscribers right now, which is insane. I mean, the channel's still growing and I haven't done anything. I don't feel like I deserve it. But I want to say thank you guys so much for just helping this channel grow, staying, you know, commenting to each other now. I've noticed you guys help each other out. It's just been awesome to see this community growing over the past several years. But 2021 is going to be different. As you can see, I've kind of set up a new production area where I'm gonna do like these talking videos, so it's not so shaky, it's not just weird looking, it's more professional. So my goal this year is I wanna upload at least once a week, and I'm gonna try to do Fridays as the upload day because it gives me Saturday, Sunday to film a video, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday after my day job to edit, to get it done, so that way Friday morning you guys have a video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it was just good to talk to you guys. I really missed this. This is important to me. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We got a big year ahead of us. And if you guys want to help support the channel directly, if you guys are in the market for like a turbo or turbo products, down below is a link to the KC Turbos website. It is an affiliate link, so I will get a small portion of what you guys buy, so it helps the channel that way. Or if you want to go the route of merchandise, I also now have a merch store I've finally set up. It is super awesome. Over at Teespring, link down below. It's just Power Stroke logos right now, but I'm gonna work on new design. But with that, you guys can like directly help on the channel. Thank you guys so much for your support continually through 2020. 2021, it's gonna be a good year. See you guys later.